Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still believe that we're going up, most likely all the way up to about this 78 or 100% Fibonacci extension of this previous move up, which I think is probably going to end up being a W for 3 waves up for the W, 3 waves down for most likely an X, and most likely 3 waves up for the Y. I believe this is a WXY triple ABC pattern that will most likely take out the high of wave 4. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I could still see that it's making higher highs, higher lows. Looks like a wave A. It definitely did make 3 waves down, so I think that the wave B is over, and I still think that this is just going to keep on trending up to make that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down more to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see the lower lows, lower highs. Looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. This looks like an A, 3 waves down for the B, and another move up for the C, A, B, C of B. And then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. So A, B, C of B right here. Nice big impulsive move, taking out a bunch of structure along the way. Does make me think that today's CPI news, which comes out in a couple hours, is most likely just going to cause this to end up continuing the uptrend. The trend definitely looks up to me, especially on the longer time frames. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up. I see impulsive down, I see corrective up, and it looks like it did make another move down. So I still think that this is most likely going to be an ABC. We do have that big CPI news coming out today, and I still believe that that is more likely to cause this to just keep on trending up, especially looking at the longer time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we definitely have a nice big downtrend right there. Looks like a wave A. We have a very clear 3 waves up right there. Looks like a wave B. And it looks like we're going down now for a wave C. We only have about 2 hours or so before the news comes out. So if it looks like this, I still believe that it is more likely that the news will end the correction and most likely just continue the uptrend. And based on the longer time frames, even if the news does cause this to go down, I think it's just going to be a correction and maybe just go down to one of these other Fibonacci levels. And worst case scenario, I believe in a couple days, it will, even if it does go down, it will still end up continuing the uptrend. But I still believe that this is probably more likely to happen, but I am keeping in mind that we may actually make a move to the downside before we actually end this correction and end up continuing the uptrend. So, if you do see 3 waves down, you do see an impulsive move up, I would, and a break of structure, I would take that as a long opportunity for the continuation of this uptrend. So, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.